everybody, here I am just living my best life, and I wanted to help you live your best life too, at least looking your best. Now this may not be the best look for me, but I've got some things that you're going to want to see. If you are like me, you may be wondering if there's any more sales going on besides the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale and the Amazon Prime Sale. The answer is yes, there is. And so you girls seem to love when I do try-on hauls. So this one is a try-on haul with Talbots, and it is all on sale. Or I'm hoping it's still in stock. You know, sales, when you have sales, things really sell out fast. Don't get frustrated if it's not in stock. Just think there's so much more that is. Don't get caught up in the I can't get that one pink blazer or something. Don't worry about that. Let's just move on. Move on to the next piece. So the first thing I am going to show you is something with pink, of course. And this one is a gingham check pant. I love gingham. I think gingham is perfect for summer. It is just such a classic look. I love these gingham pants, and I paired it with a pink sweater, which I really like, and a white top. The top has a little twist detail at the top, which makes it look different than your normal everyday tank or t-shirt, whatever top. It looks a little more dressed up, so you can dress that top up or down. I also carry a black woven leather handbag, and I'm styling it with some block heel shoes. Now I like a block heel because it does, steady you more than like a pump heel, and I love this woven handbag. So I take advantage of all sales. I don't care what sales they are, to purchase higher end products such as leather goods when there is a sale, because I like nice things, but I like not paying full price for them. So anyway, I got this leather handbag, and it also comes in the brown color. So, pick or choose, or get both. After all, it's on sale. That's the funny thing about Talbots. So Talbots is like one of my favorite retailers, and not only that, but it's one of my husband's favorite. Well, it's not one of them. It is his favorite retailer. He loves it, and he never complains if I come home with huge bags full of Talbots clothing. He likes it that much. In fact, when he traveled, he used to bring me home Talbots clothing because he liked it so much. So when I come in shopping from Talbots, he just says, "Ooh, show me what you got." Does not care. Find the brand that your husband loves, and you'll never have to explain where you're going shopping, or who cares. They don't care. Or maybe just put your stuff in a Talbots bag. Shh. Our secret. Anyway, the next outfit is this nice, fairly heavyweight jacket. It is a striped. The material is kind of like a terry cloth, and it is nice heavyweight. So it's perfect for when you need to have a cooler, chilly morning or a chilly afternoon. It is nice weight. Plus, you'll be able to do it in the fall. Wear it with some navy chinos in the fall, or some just dark jeans. Paired it with a pair of seersucker pants. These are called Perfect Chinos, and I love the seersucker design. It is kind of like when I was a kid and I wore seersucker all the time. So this next outfit is a black and white classic look, and you'll be able to wear this to work, out to lunch, or any kind of a nice meeting and stuff. It is dressy, but it is not so dressy that you can't wear it just out and about shopping. The pants look almost like a herringbone print. They are black and white, and they're butterflies. So the white print is a butterfly. They're cute as they can be. I don't feel like these have a lot of stretch, but it could just be all the food I ate during Atlanta that maybe made it feel like that. Anyway, the top is a black, kind of like a polo top. It is black, and it has a pointel or a knit design through it. Someone said you could wear a black bra and you wouldn't be able to see your bra. With me, I just don't find it's that big a deal if you can see bits and pieces of a bra showing through. We all wear them. Or I think we all do. Next outfit. This is a non-iron floral shirt and a pair of blue jeans with a pair of the navy espadrilles. So I love espadrilles. I don't usually wear this style espadrille. Normally mine are heels, wedge kind of espadrilles, but I like a flat too, especially if you are like on vacation and you are on unsteady ground, cobblestone streets are always the hardest for me to walk in with heels. So shoes like this are great. And I paired it with a pair of barely boot jeans. I love these barely boot jeans from Talbots. And if you say non-iron, you're talking my language. So I love this button-up shirt. And I also threw on a cable knit sweater. Now this is a fairly heavy cable knit sweater. It would be great for fall. I know it's light blue, so you can also wear it in spring. It would be perfect for that. And then I think my favorite item of this entire try-on is this beautiful Amparo blue trench coat. Isn't that cute? It is it's a short trench coat, little peacoat look design. Love that. It does run true to size, and I think it is fantastic. Now I'm gonna show you, if I can find it, yeah, here it is. 3 more styles, then we'll be done. And these are what I call my casual weekend styles. So I have on a pair of blue and white striped seersucker crops this time, not a full length, so crops, and I love them with this linen cotton hoodie. This just reminds me of the beach. I mean, this is just something I can see walking along the beach, especially in the cool afternoons or whatever. Love this look. That hoodie runs huge though. I'm wearing a small and it's still pretty good size on me, so I love that look. The next look is another gingham print. This one is a pale blue and white, so it's with perfect crops, and I do have on a charming shell. I love Talbot's charming shells. I have it, this one's in white, but I have it in like black and I think pink and a different blue. I have it in like 4 or 5 colors. Once I find something I like, I buy multiples of, and what I really like about this is, one, it fits really nice, doesn't show my rolls, and it has a very thick strap, so you don't have to ever worry about your bra strap showing. So I like those. And those gingham crops, they are so cute. They are perfect for the rest of the summer because we still have a couple months left of summer, and they just look like spring. So next spring you'll get a lot of wear out of them also. And the last outfit I'm going to show you is this faux wrap dress. A wrap dress is always flattering to just almost every body style. And I love this. The mixture of the stripes going all different directions is very, very flattering on. This fits really nice. Normally I have to wear a large in a dress from Talbots, but this is a medium and it fits great. And I paired it with a pair of bow linen espadrilles. So these have just the tiniest of heel. I mean, very tiny heel. And that linen color is a great neutral that can be worn with anything. You could wear it with jeans, shorts, dresses, whatever. So that's a great, great, great purchase. Now, go out, have a good day, enjoy the rest of the afternoon, and remember, find the retailer your husband likes. You'll thank me later. See you, girls. Bye.